Hey everybody, and welcome back. So we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner here for the week of November 4th through the 10th. The kit I'm going to be using is March 2022 Mystery from Avalon Ninth. She no longer does the TPC Nation or the Pentrix planner anymore. But I'm using up what I have, so we're using this bowling kit because we are going to a birthday party on the 2nd of November, which is tomorrow, as I'm filming this November 1st. But I had wanted to use a Halloween kit, so we're using this for one of my friend's kids' birthday. We are going to use this page, but she did give us 2, so you could use this for 2 weeks. And then we just have a bunch of functionals here that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to put these 2 away. And then we're just going to be using all of this. So that is how we're going to do it. I need, oh, here we go. So anyway, I'm gonna lay down these and then I'll show, oh, actually I have more stickers, haha. I have these date dots I am going to be using from the penny pages. I have these week stickers from my Daily Plans I'm gonna be using, and then my sidebar stickers from Tipsy Dog Designs. So we're just gonna get right on into this. I went ahead and already put down the strips because I like doing that beforehand. It just makes life a little easier. Come on, there we go. I have been having trouble with these stickers coming off the page. I noticed it when I was laying down the strips. And that one did not lay down straight. There we go. So I'm just gonna have to be very, very careful. Alright, cool. So my categories, if you've been here a while, you should already know them, but my categories are household, my daughter, come on, myself and my husband. I'm starting to track some health stuff, like if I go to the gym or not, and I need to get better about that. And the last one is ideas, but I seem to be putting down more on this page if I'm not near my social media planner, my books. And then I want to see, I really like this bowling ball, washi tape here. Come on. Alright. It's not wanting to. There we go. It's not straight, but it'll work. Yeah, it's almost nap time, baby. Alright, and we'll put week 45 down. And then we're gonna go ahead and lay down our date strips here. then we'll get into the day by day. So what is really going on next week? Not much. I went, since today is the 1st, I went grocery shopping today, so don't have to do that next week. That doesn't mean I don't have errands to run. So we will see, or play dates. I don't have anything set up as of filming, so we will see. Okay, set those down. Let's see. 12. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I could do. I'm probably gonna regret this, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. I gotta start looking at some other kits for this planner because I'm running out of kits already, which is good because I was hoarding a bunch of them. The last couple of years I've been hoarding them and not wanting to use them, so, or I kept buying new ones and then forgetting about my old ones. And I'm not doing that this year. So I'm gonna put down some full boxes because I really don't have anything going on these days. I do have my Black Mountain Plan stickers here. I do PR for her, so if you use Amy B of 20, you can get 20% off your entire purchase. I'm going to use these cute little bowling pins here to put down. Mondays are trash days. So that is all that's happening on Monday. And then I'm going to put this down here. And then I have therapy. Again, we're going to use some of this deco. We're going to use the shoes. I'm going to put therapy down. And then I am done with this book because I need to order some more scripts from her for this planner. But I have ran out, so. And then I'm going to lay down these full boxes we'll put on Friday. Nothing is really going on, like I said, this week. Alright, Tuesday, I need to start spare room. I'm going to put this down every day. At least the next 3 days. Because it really does need to be cleaned out, and it's going to end up becoming our home library. But I also keep my diamond painting kits in it, and my wax for my wax melters. So there's that. I do actually need to I'll put another piece of deco here on Friday for change wax. change it on Fridays now because I messed up. I don't normally use weekend banners when I put it down in Ophelia's spot. It says, keep your eye on the ball and get that strike. Saturday, I have quite a lot. We change sheets and laundry. And then, so I have those two things. I need to vacuum my bedroom. Master bedroom needs to be vacuumed again. And then I need to spare room. And I need to make the bed in our other spare bedroom. Because we have company coming. So nothing for her, nothing for me besides therapy. Oops. Let's see. Election day. Use this little deco piece. This is strike. And then ultimately that is it. I don't have much going on that half of the week. I won't use this page. But I will keep these because they do have functionals on them and I might need the functionals. I think to pull in the bowling ball washi tape a little bit, I'm gonna throw out some use this washi tape because I think it's cute. Should have put it under. This should come up, right? Yeah, buddy. It does. And boom. I like that. And I'm done with that sheet. So I do have functionals I will use throughout the week, but ultimately that is my plan with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.